All right, let's check our rosters from counselors and make this quick. If you are already familiar with VLOOKUP, skip ahead to the 47-second mark. The VLOOKUP formula has 4 components. In orange, the lookup value is the most important part. You need to have a unique identifier for your data. You can use a student ID number, email address, but you need to make sure it doesn't have duplicates. In the blue is the table array. That's where you will get your answers from, the data you'll pull from. In yellow, the column index number tells the formula which column you're wanting the information from. And then in green, the range lookup, you will type in false because you want exact matches. We'll explore all of these in an example. Okay, so let's say you got your rosters from your counselors. It'll probably have all of this information in there. Sometimes when the counselors send it to you, if you click into that cell, do you see how there's extra space after the number? That's actually a problem for VLOOKUP, and that just means that it's not formulated correctly. So to fix that, we're going to do these student IDs, and we're just going to make sure over here that it's formatted to be a number. And see how it just added the decimals? We don't want that either. So number, more number formats, and then 0 decimal places. That will get you the correct data for VLOOKUP. So before you get rocking and rolling on VLOOKUP, you need to make sure that your ID numbers are exactly formatted as a number. Okay, now let's say that we got our roster and it was perfect from the counselors. They gave us the ID number and the student name. We're going to go to our classes tab and we're going to check to see if students showed up on the roster. So using VLOOKUP, I'm going to insert that new column and say, did they sign up for orchestra? I'm going to do equals VLOOKUP. That lookup value, again, is going to be the ID number in your actual roster for your program. You're going to do comma so that it moves on to table array. We're going to get our table array from the counselor spreadsheet. Again, making sure ID number is the very left piece of data. And then I'm going to anchor the table array with the $sign after that A, and then I'm going to go after that B. I'm going to do comma. That'll take me to the column index number. And right here, we just have 2 columns. So I'm going to choose student name to populate. So I choose 1, 2 is where student name is, and then comma to get us to range lookup, which will be false. Close parentheses, enter, takes us back to our roster. You're going to copy that formula all the way down. And now we're going to sort A to Z. And this will show us, oh my gosh, there are so many students that didn't sign up for orchestra. What is the deal? Well, this Zach guy, I guess he's a senior. That makes sense. But this will make you know who's signed up quickly so that you can have conversations and see where kids are going. Hope this helps.